Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers e-filing the 1099 miscellaneous forms to Oklahoma. The e-file direct module creates a file using the Oklahoma specifications. Once the file is created, it is the user's responsibility to upload the file. Please note, Oklahoma may require a pre-registration process. Please contact the state for more information. Once the payer has been set up, and the 1099 data is entered and verified, on the main menu, select e-filer. Next, select e-file direct and click OK. Select 1098s, 1099s, 3921 and 22s, 5498s and W2G is the type of form. The taxing authority will be federal. Click OK. Enter the transmitter information. Oklahoma does not require a control code. You can leave this blank or use the control code assigned by the IRS. Click OK. Multiple forms can be selected, if needed. For this tutorial, check 1099 miscellaneous. This process can include 1099 Northeast C forms as well. Click OK. Multiple payers can be selected. Check the payer and click OK. This screen is used for federal filing only. Select Do not edit special payer info at this time, and note for all payers, do not check output payer name control for each payer. Click OK. If there are multiple payers, you can click Process for all remaining tag payers. However, please be aware that if you have a payer with no data, the process will abort, and you will need to start over again, selecting only the payers with data. This prompt will display for each payer that was selected. To review each payer one at a time, click Process. At this point, the payers and forms are being processed for any errors or warnings. If there are any errors, they must be corrected or the file will not be created. If you had other payers to process, select Process More Payers. This will take you back to the Select Payer screen, where you can select other payers to include in the file. To continue, select Continue. Click OK. This prompt will appear if there are any Oklahoma 1099 forms. Click State. The file is ready to be saved. The default location that the file will be saved to is the 1099 ETC program directory. The directory can be changed. However, do not change the file name, it is automatically set up to meet Oklahoma's requirements. Click Save. If there are warnings or errors, please view or print the activity output. This report will list the warnings, errors, and their record numbers, so that the issues can be corrected. VTML speed view or print the transmittal report for the file location and name which is needed when uploading. Select Continue, and click Quit. At this point, the file has been created. You can review Oklahoma's frequently asked questions, or if you are ready to upload, go to the OKTAP system. If you are not ready to upload, click Cancel. When you are ready to upload, go to the OKTAP system and follow their instructions. If you have any questions about uploading the file, please contact Oklahoma. Please review the frequently asked questions on our website, or refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.